Cipher Gold Scalper is one of the best EA in the market, and in this video we will discover how exactly this EA open trades, what is the strategy, what are the rules, what are the restrictions, and what are the capabilities of this EA. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen. To download the EA, you simply need to go to this website TradingBotLab, and from here go to Robot Store. From the Robot Store, you will be able to download and learn all about this EA from Explorer. Here is the Cipher Gold EA. I will click on it and it will open in a next page with all the detailed explanation and the license management system. For now, you are allowed to only use this EA on your two accounts. You can see here, okay, and you can add your account number here, like where you want to use it, something like that, and then add license. Once you add, this is added. If you have another account, you can test it on some other account and add license once your limit is reached. Okay, if you want to add some other account, simply you can click on this cross button and delete this license, and then you will be able to add the next license. Okay, from here you can download the EA, but before downloading the EA, let's move down. Here is the description, how it works. So now let's download the EA. Simply you need to click on this button. The EA will be downloaded. From here you will click on this button, and then I will open this folder. When I open it, I will right click on it, and if I copy and paste into the empty file from this location, it will not work. Simply go back, right click on the Cipher Gold Scalper and extract all. You need to extract that folder to obtain the original file without any problem, which will work on the empty file. Here the extracted folder is here. Okay, here double click on it, and then Cipher Go, right click on it and copy, go to the empty file platform, simply go to the open data folder. From here go to MQL5, go to experts, and here simply Control+V, paste the file, and you will see here the Cipher Gold Scalper is here right now. And then right click on it and refresh. Once refreshed, you will see this EA here, like Cipher Gold Scalper. You can right click on it, attach to chart, or you can drag and drop to the chart. It says, do you really want to attach Cipher Gold instead of 7S Pro chart? Yes, I want to change. And first of all, from this tab you must have checked this option, and then go to the inputs. From here you can see all these input settings of the Cipher Gold. All these settings you can control once you click on it. Let's see if it works or not. Let's see if the license is added. Yes, I think so, the license is added for this. Okay, so by this way you can use this EA. Let's move back to the website, and if that EA not work on your MT5, you simply need to add your trading account number here, something like that, as I have added this account, like add a license to. So my new account is added here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.